how to change your Bank of America PIN. So this article reads, how do I change my ATM or debit card PIN or request a new PIN? To change your PIN, we will need to visit a Bank of America ATM and then select more options and then followed by change PIN. You can also change your PIN by scheduling an appointment or visiting a financial center. Now, if you don't know your PIN, you will need to request a new PIN by, again, scheduling an appointment or calling this phone number as is shown right here, 800-432-1000. And these are the working hours. So Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. until 11 p.m. or Saturday and Sunday 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. excluding holidays, all times ET, and they will mail you a reminder. Now you can also find an ATM or financial center by clicking on this blue hyperlink, and it's going to show you nearby ATMs or financial centers. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.